Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. To my academy servicer, Miss Mila Listiawati, MPD, Biology Seminar Lecture, Miss Asrianti Masud, SSI, MPD. My name is Gevira Zahira Rizwan, student number 12320600042 from Biology Education Study Program, Department of Mathematics and Natural Science Education, Facultas of Tarbiyah and Teacher Training, UIN Sunan Gunung Jati Bandung 2026. On this occasion, I will be presenting a research proposal entitled Development of STRAM-based ELKPD in Biology on the topic of environmental pollution to enhance student critical thinking skills. One I have question is, first, education as a key factor in developing human resources in the era of globalization. 21st century education requires students to have critical thinking skills. Three, the subject of environmental pollution is still understood primarily in theoretical terms and like a contextual perspective. Teaching remains teacher-centered and the teaching materials like innovation. YLKVD serves as an interactive teaching tool to boost student engagement. The stream approach integration various disciplines into learning. A research problem. First, how is the process for developing a STEM-based digital biology worksheet on environmental pollution to enhance high school student critical thinking skills? Two, how the results of the validation of the STEM-based biology ELKPD on the topic of environmental pollution. Three, how do students respond to STEM-based digital worksheet in biology class that address the topic of environmental pollution. Fourth, how is the level of student critical thinking skills in STEM-based biology ELKPD-based learning on the topic of environmental pollution? Research objective. First, developing STEM-based digital biology worksheet on environmental pollution to enhance high school student critical thinking skills. Two, analysis the validation of STEM-based ELKPD for biology on the topic of environmental pollution. Three, identifying a student response to STEM-based biology digital worksheet on the topic of environmental pollution in the classroom. Four, assessing student critical thinking skills in STEM-based biology ELKPD lesson of the topic of environmental pollution. Research benefit, the article. This study is expected to contribute to the advancement of educational science, particularly in the field of biology education. Furthermore, this study can serve as a reference for the development of innovative teaching material in the form of STEM-based digital worksheet to foster critical thinking skills among high school students. Practical for students, it is hoped that this will help students understand the material and develop their critical thinking skills. For teacher, it is hoped that will serve as an alternative teaching resource for biology lesson. For school, the use of technology and the development of teaching materials that meet the demand of 21st century learning. For research, to gain experience and insight to teaching and creating digital worksheet. Literature view. First, a study by Huda, and second, another study by Rizkika, and third, research by Mahendra and Carolina. I have select three reference journal by Huda, Rizkika, and Mahendra. All of them state that the development of STEM-based ELKPD is highly effective in improving student critical thinking skills. Framework of thinking, first learning outcomes or CP, learning objective or TP, uh, student achievement indicator or IKTP, critical thinking skill indicator or IKTK, and define design development. Next, product validation by media expert, subject matter expert, dan student. Last, product or IKTP. Research and method, research type, research and development or R&D. Approach, this method, research which is combination qualitative and quantitative approach. Research procedure, define, design, and develop. Data scores, primer, data from material test, interview data and validation test. Secondary, literature of collection data. Population, 10 grade high school student studying environmental pollution in their biology class. Sample students who have studied or are currently studying environmental pollution, totaling one class. Data collection method, first interview complications of ILKPD component, information gathering, expert validation, credibility questionnaire, response questionnaire, data analysis technique, first interview analysis, analysis of the development stage of the electronic student worksheet or ELKPD, analysis of understanding of the material and environmental pollution, feasibility analysis of the electronic student worksheet or ELKPD, reliability test analysis of the electronic student worksheet ELKPD. Research process, first define preliminary study, second planning atau design, and last develop of development. This concludes the research proposal I have submitted. Thank you for your attention. I apologize for any errors in my presentation. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.